In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an image in Canva. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, or another browser you use regularly. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in Canva. As you type, you may see suggestions pop up. This is perfectly normal. Just select the one that fits. When you press enter, you will see a list of results. Look for the official Canva website in the search results. This step is crucial because you need to access the right platform to start editing your image. Once you have found the correct link, click on it to navigate to the Canva homepage. Now, if you already have an account, you can log in. Look for the Login button, which is typically in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Logging in is essential as it ensures that your designs are saved in your account for future access. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your Canva dashboard, which is where all your designs are stored. Now that you are in your dashboard, it's time to open your design canvas. You can do this by either selecting an existing design from your projects or creating a new one. To start fresh, click on the Create a Design button. This brings up various size options you can choose from. Selecting the right canvas size is important because it determines how your image will fit into your project. Once you have your canvas open, you are ready to start working on fixing your image. Next up, click on the image you want to fix on your canvas. This action will open the top editing menu, displaying various options related to image editing. You might notice options like filters, adjustments, and effects. Accessing this menu is significant because it gives you the tools you need to enhance your image. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options, as they are your gateway to making your image look its best. Now select Edit Photo or Edit Image from the top toolbar. Clicking this option will take you to a new editing interface specifically for photos. This step is important because it opens up a range of editing tools designed to help you enhance your image effectively. You will see a variety of features that can help improve the quality and appeal of your photo. After that, click on Background Remover, which is part of the Magic Studio features. This tool allows you to instantly strip away the background of your image. Removing the background is a game changer if you want to focus on the subject of your photo. By doing this, you can achieve a cleaner and more professional look. Once you click this option, you should see the background fade away, making your subject stand out. If your photo appears too dark, washed out, or slightly soft, this method is ideal for you. By removing the background, you can then focus on adjusting the main elements of your image. This little step saves you a lot of time later by ensuring that your subject is highlighted appropriately. Next, click on the image again and select Edit Photo. This will allow you to make further adjustments to the image quality. Once you have clicked this option, look for the Adjust tab at the top of the left-hand panel. This tab provides you with more fine-tuned controls to enhance your image. It is essential to understand how to use these controls because they can significantly impact the final look of your image. Now select Auto to let Canva instantly balance the exposure and contrast for you. This feature is particularly useful if you are unsure how to manually adjust these settings. It takes the guesswork out of the process and provides a good starting point for your image adjustments. Once you click this option, you should see immediate changes reflecting a more balanced image. Finally, manually slide the brightness, contrast, saturation, or sharpness controls lower down the panel to fine-tune the look. This step allows you to customize the image to your liking. Adjusting these elements can help you achieve the exact aesthetic you desire. Take your time with these sliders, as small changes can have a big impact. When you are satisfied with your adjustments, your image will be ready and look significantly better.